Number 15, Mic Escape Watch. Starting strong with the Mic Escape Watch, and guys, this isn't just a timepiece, it's a work of art that happens to tell time. This watch features a completely transparent case that lets you see every single mechanical component working in perfect harmony. We're talking about a full skeleton design where you can watch the gears turn, the springs wind, and the entire mechanism come to life right on your wrist. But here's what makes it next level. The case is made from premium sapphire crystal, which is literally the second hardest material after diamond. That means this thing is virtually scratch-proof and crystal clear from every angle. The price point puts it in luxury territory, but when you consider you're getting museum-quality craftsmanship that doubles as functional art, it starts to make sense. This is the kind of watch that starts conversations and stops people in their tracks. Number 14, Miles Tools X-Tape 1. Next up is the Miles Tools X-Tape 1, and this is how you revolutionize something as simple as a measuring tape. This isn't your dad's measuring tape. This thing has a digital display that shows measurements in real time, can store measurements in memory, and even connects to your phone via Bluetooth to sync all your measurements to an app. The tape itself is made from premium fiberglass that won't stretch or wear out like traditional tapes. Plus, it has this satisfying magnetic tip that grabs onto metal surfaces and holds strong. For contractors, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone who does regular measuring, this is a game changer. No more writing down measurements on scraps of paper or trying to remember multiple dimensions. Everything syncs to your phone and stays organized. Number 13, the Clever Made Parcel Lockbox. The Clever Made Parcel Lockbox is solving one of modern life's biggest headaches, package theft. This lockbox is basically a Fort Knox for your delivery. It's made from 16-gauge steel with a powder-coated finish that can withstand weather and attempted break-ins. The locking mechanism is commercial grade, and the whole thing is designed to be anchored to your porch or entryway. Here's how it works. Delivery drivers can open it with a master code, drop your package inside, and it automatically locks. You get a notification on your phone, and you can open it with your personal code when you get home. But the real genius is in the design. It looks like a stylish piece of outdoor furniture, not a security device. Your neighbors won't even know it's a lockbox unless you tell them. For anyone who's ever had packages stolen or worried about deliveries sitting outside all day, this provides complete peace of mind. Number 12, Imo Go Home. Imo Go Home is what happens when artificial intelligence meets personality, and the result is absolutely adorable. This little robot is basically a digital pet that lives on your desk and develops its own personality over time. It has a high-resolution display for a face that shows hundreds of different expressions, and it uses AI to learn your habits and preferences. Imo can recognize your face, respond to voice commands, play music, set timers, and even play games with you. But what makes it special is how it develops emotional responses based on how you interact with it. It's not just a gadget, it's like having a little friend that sits on your desk and brightens your day. And for kids, it's an amazing introduction to robotics and AI technology. Number 11, Yogifi Smart Ring. The Yogifi Smart Ring is packing more technology into a tiny ring than most smartwatches have, and it's completely changing how we think about wearable fitness tech. This ring tracks your heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and even your meditation sessions with medical-grade accuracy. But here's the kicker, the battery lasts up to 7 days and it's completely waterproof. The ring uses advanced sensors to monitor your autonomic nervous system, which means it can detect stress levels and recommend breathing exercises or meditation sessions through the app. The app integration is where it really shines. You get detailed insights into your health patterns, personalized recommendations, and it even connects with other fitness apps to give you a complete picture of your wellness. Number 10, Ally Board. The Ally Board is what happens when you take keyboard design to its absolute limit, and mechanical keyboard enthusiasts are going to lose their minds over this. This keyboard is completely modular, meaning every single component can be customized, upgraded, or replaced. We're talking about hot swappable switches, customizable keycaps, adjustable typing angles, and even modular cable management. The build quality is insane. CNC machined aluminum frame, premium PBT keycaps, and your choice of over 50 different switch types. Each key press feels like a precision instrument. For programmers, gamers, or anyone who spends serious time typing, this keyboard transforms your entire computing experience. Once you use a premium mechanical keyboard like this, you can never go back to regular keyboard. Number 9, Agako massage. This device uses something called percussive massage therapy, which delivers rapid bursts of pressure deep into muscle tissue. We're talking about up to 3,200 percussions per minute with adjustable intensity level. It comes with multiple attachment heads designed for different muscle groups and massage techniques. The battery life is impressive, up to 6 hours of continuous use, and it charges via USB-C. The app integration lets you follow guided massage routines, track your sessions, and even get personalized recommendations based on your activity level and stress indicator. For athletes, office workers, or anyone dealing with muscle tension, this device provides professional quality massage therapy whenever you need it. It's like having a personal Number 8. Birdweather PT. The Birdweather PT is turning birdwatching into a high-tech adventure, and even if you're not into birds, the technology here is absolutely fascinating. This small device uses advanced AI and acoustic recognition to identify bird species in real time just by their calls and songs. It can recognize over 6,000 different bird species with incredible accuracy. The device is completely weatherproof and solar-powered, so you can leave it outside year-round. It continuously monitors the bird activity in your area and uploads data to a global database that helps scientists track bird populations and migration patterns. It's like having a personal ornithologist that never sleeps, and you're helping advance our understanding of wildlife at the same time. Number 7. Rolling Knife Sharpener. The rolling knife sharpener is solving one of the kitchen's most annoying problems, dull knives, and it does it in the most satisfying way possible. This device uses a unique rolling mechanism with precision ground tungsten carbide wheels that maintain the perfect sharpening angle automatically. You literally just roll it along the blade and it restores a razor-sharp edge in seconds. Traditional sharpening requires skill, practice, and the right technique. This eliminates all of that. The rolling action ensures consistent pressure and angle, so you get professional results every time. The tungsten carbide sharpening elements are incredibly durable and can handle everything from kitchen knives to pocket knives to garden tools. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, and there's a safety guard to protect your finger. For anyone who cooks regularly, this transforms your entire kitchen experience. Sharp knives are safer, more efficient, and make food preparation actually enjoyable. Number 6. A-Light Gobber Kit Safety Light. The A-Light Gobber Kit Safety Light is the kind of device that you hope you never need, but when you do need it, it could literally save your life. This compact device packs multiple emergency functions into a package smaller than your phone. We're talking about a 1,000-lumen flashlight, emergency strobe, SOS beacon, and even a power bank to charge your devices. The light output is incredible. It can illuminate objects up to 600 feet away, and the battery lasts up to 15 days in emergency mode. It's waterproof, shockproof, and designed to function in extreme conditions. But the real genius is in the versatility. It has magnetic mounts, carabiner clips, and even a built-in stand so you can use it hands-free. The red emergency mode is visible from over a mile away, and the SOS function follows international distress patterns. Whether you're camping, hiking, dealing with power outages, or just want emergency preparedness, this device covers all your bases in one compact packet. Number 5. Future Tech Storefront. Future Tech Storefront is revolutionizing how we discover and buy cutting-edge technology, and this platform is honestly like having a crystal ball for tech trends. This isn't just another online store, it's a curated marketplace that focuses exclusively on emerging technology, innovative gadgets, and products that are genuinely ahead of their time. The platform uses AI to analyze your interests, browsing history, and purchase patterns to recommend products you didn't even know existed. Every product is tested by tech experts, reviewed for innovation value, and rated on factors like build quality, uniqueness, and practical value. For tech enthusiasts who want to stay ahead of the curve, this platform is like having insider access to the future of technology. You'll discover gadgets months or even years before they hit mainstream markets. Number 4. Unihertz Luna. The Unihertz Luna is proof that smartphones don't have to look like every other smartphone, and this device is turning heads everywhere it goes. This phone has a completely unique form factor. It's round. Not just the screen, but the entire device is circular, and it's surprisingly ergonomic and functional. It runs full Android, so you have access to all your favorite apps. The build quality is exceptional. Premium materials, precise engineering, and attention to detail that rivals much more expensive phones. For anyone who wants a smartphone that's truly different, that starts conversations, and that offers a unique user experience, the Luna is in a category of its own. Number 3. Couch Console. The couch console is solving one of modern life's most first-world problems: where to put your stuff when you're lounging on the couch, and it does it with style and intelligence. The materials are premium, soft touch surfaces that won't scratch your furniture, and the whole thing is designed to complement your living room decor rather than look like a tech accessory. For anyone who spends time on the couch watching movies, gaming, or just relaxing, this transforms your couch into a fully functional entertainment center. Everything you need is within arm's reach and properly organized. Number 2. Zera Max 2. The Zera Max 2 is tackling one of the biggest environmental challenges we face: food waste, and it's doing it right in your kitchen with technology that seems like magic. This device takes your food scraps and transforms them into nutrient-rich fertilizer in just 24 hours. We're talking about vegetable peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, and even small bones getting processed into something you can use in your garden. The technology is based on accelerated decomposition using controlled heat, moisture, and oxygen levels. The device even has sensors that monitor the process and adjust conditions automatically. For environmentally conscious households, this device can reduce food waste by up to 80% while creating valuable fertilizer for plants and gardens. It's sustainability technology that actually makes your life easier. Number 1. Devoom Dye 2 Pro. And finally, the Devoom Dye 2 Pro, which is the perfect blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology that's guaranteed to put a smile on your face. This device looks like a tiny retro computer, complete with a pixel art display, but it's packed with modern features that make it incredibly versatile. The speaker quality is surprisingly good for such a compact device, and it supports high-quality Bluetooth audio. It's the kind of device that brings joy to your daily routine. Every time you look at it, it's doing something different, something creative, something that makes you smile. So there you have it, 15 gadgets that are literally operating at another level. From the mechanical artistry of the Mechascape watch to the environmental innovation of the Zera Max 2, these devices prove that we're living in the most exciting time for technology. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you own any of these devices, share your experience with the community. Don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge tech content, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you in the next one where we're diving into even more incredible gadgets that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible.